Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email campaign in Brevo. You'll learn exactly each step clearly, from creating a campaign to setting the exact time that your email will be sent to your audience. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down in the description below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now let's get started. To schedule an email in Brevo, first log into your Brevo account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the left side menu and click on the Marketing tab. When you click on it, the menu will expand and you will see several options, including campaigns, landing pages, forms, statistics, and templates. To create and schedule an email, you'll need to click on the campaigns option. Once you click, you will be directed to the campaigns page. Now, if it's your first time, this page will look slightly different. You'll see four main campaign options displayed: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Since we're focusing on sending and scheduling an email, select the email option. However, if you've created a campaign before, your view might look a little different. Instead of seeing the four options directly, you'll see a Create Campaign button at the top right corner. Click on it, and a small pop-up window will appear displaying the same four campaign types: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Again, click on the email option to continue. After selecting the email campaign, you'll be taken to the campaign creation screen. On this page, you'll see two options at the top: regular and A/B test. For this tutorial, we'll use the regular option since it really is ideal for simple campaign scheduling. In the regular campaign setup, you will also see a field labeled campaign name. You can type any name here for your campaign that you would like, something descriptive like November newsletter or holiday offer. Now, just below that, there is a tags section. This helps categorize your campaign, so you can add relevant tags such as promotion, newsletter, or update. Next, you'll see the folder field where you can assign the campaign to a very specific folder to keep your projects organized. Now, after filling out these details, click on the Create Campaign button right at the bottom. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to the main campaign setup page. Now, this is where you'll complete each step before scheduling your email. At the top, you'll see the sender section. This section automatically confirms which email address your campaign will be sent from. If you need to change it, you can manage your senders under account settings, but for most users, the default address works just fine. Next, move to the recipients section. Click on Add Recipients, and a new window will appear. This will allow you to choose from your existing contact lists or segments. You can select one or even multiple lists depending on who you want to target with this email. Once you're done, click Save to confirm your recipients. Now, the next step is to set your subject line. So scroll on down a little and click on Add Subject. Now, type in something that's short and catchy into the subject line that will appear in your recipients' inboxes. For example, your exclusive offer is here, or don't miss this week's update. Now, beneath the subject field, you'll see a smaller box for preview text. This text appears next to your subject line in the inbox preview. This will give your readers a quick hint about the email content. Add something relevant like "Open now to see our latest updates." Once the subject and preview text are ready, click Save. Now move to the Design section to create your email content. Click on Start Designing. A new page will open showing you all of the saved templates that you can use. Brevo offers both pre-designed templates and the option to build an email from scratch using the drag and drop editor. For this tutorial, we'll choose a pre-made design. Click on Basic Templates and select the Tell a Story template. Once you find it, click on Use Template. This will take you to the Design Editor page. Now, inside the Design Editor, you can customize your email's entire layout. You can edit text, replace images, add buttons, or even adjust colors and fonts according to your preferences. If you already have your email account or your email content ready, simply paste it here and arrange the blocks as you need them. You can also add your logo or social media links if required. Now, since our focus in this tutorial is scheduling, we'll keep the design as it is. Once you're satisfied, click the Save and Quit button in the top right corner. You'll now return to the campaign setup screen. At this point, all of the required steps, sender, recipients, subject, and design, are complete. The final step is to schedule the campaign. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Schedule button. After clicking Schedule, a scheduling panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll choose exactly where your email will be sent. you will see four scheduling options. They are send now, schedule for later, send at best time, and send in batches. The first option, send now, sends the email immediately after confirmation. The second option, schedule for later, lets you select a specific date and time to send your email. The third option, send at best time, allows Brevo's smart system to automatically send your email at the time that each contact is most likely to open it. And the fourth option, send in batches, divides your recipients into groups and sends the campaign at different intervals. For this tutorial, we'll focus on schedule for later, since we want to set a specific time. Now click on schedule for later as the option. This will expand the panel to show date and time fields. Click on the date dropdown and choose the day that you want your campaign to go out. After selecting the date, click confirm. Next, set the exact time for sending your email using the two selectors, hours on the left and minutes on the right. For example, you can set your campaign to go out at 10:30 a.m. Now below that, double check your time zone. If the time zone doesn't match your local time, go to your account settings and adjust it before scheduling. Once the date, time, and time zone are set correctly, review everything carefully to ensure all details are accurate. And when you're confident that everything looks great, click the schedule button at the very bottom of the panel. Your email campaign is now scheduled. Brevo will automatically queue it and deliver it at the exact date and time that you specified. And you can always come back to the campaigns page to verify your scheduled campaigns or make edits before the send time if necessary. That's it. You've successfully scheduled an email in Brevo. It's one of the easiest, and most reliable ways to manage your marketing campaigns in advance, saving you time and keeping your communication consistent. Brevo also lets you, combine scheduling with its smart send at best time feature for even higher open rates, which you can try once you're comfortable with the basic scheduling. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our full Brevo course and get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months using the link in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.